What is up, everybody? It is time for me to get ready for my little vacation to Texas. Probably should get changed. Much better. And of course, I'm still representing Seattle. Let's do this. Should probably start packing. Wallet might be a good idea to bring. Need these for sure. Just for the record, I wasn't going to make you watch me pack. So, in that case, we'll pick this up somewhere again real shortly. What's up, everyone? We are here in San Antonio. This is day 2 actually. We are spending some time here at SeaWorld, and stay tuned for some of these highlights. Somehow we ended up on a carousel. Fantastic. Some might say I'm too old for this. I would disagree. Alright, so we just finished up the San Antonio RiverWalk boat tour. Pretty awesome. I highly recommend you check it out if you're in the area. And let's keep going.
Welcome to San Antonio.
Thank you. Here back at our hotel. Need to take a little break before we go back out in the sun. That is draining. But it's beautiful out here. It's just extremely sweaty. Be back in like 5. Walking around San Antonio at night is much better. It is so much cooler. Thank goodness. We have arrived at the, I think it's the Chinese tea garden actually. It says Japanese tea garden online, but it's actually the Chinese tea garden here in San Antonio. It's part of the zoo. Let's take a look. Okay, we are back. Thank you for joining us on this trip to San Antonio. We had an absolute blast. I want to thank my buddy Chris for letting us crash at his place. Saved us a lot of money. Definite highlights of this trip. It was cool to see SeaWorld, but the Alamo, hands down, one of the cooler things I've seen. But I would say the #1 thing you got to check out for sure is the RiverWalk. So if you're ever down in San Antonio, get a chance to see the RiverWalk. It was incredible. It was really cool to see. It reminds me a lot of Pike's Place here in Seattle, with all the shops and the different vendors and things that are there for you to see, but as an added bonus you get to walk right by a river. It was awfully hot, hit like 94 degrees. 2 things I learned about San Antonio, which are pretty obvious. It's pretty hot out. Yeah, it's really hot out, but it's gorgeous. It's beautiful out here. But totally worth the visit. Again, thanks for taking the time to watch my video. Please hit that like button down below. And again, thanks for joining me on this trip. We'll see you soon.